Good afternoon, dear students. I am Dr. G.B. Shenge. This is the next exercise of our course. The course number is Agro 3612. This is the exercise number 3. Title of this exercise is Visual and Digital Interpretation of Remote Sensing Image by using the software. Okay. First is the introduction of this exercise, what is meant by interpretation and what is meant by image. Okay, interpretation means it is the process in which the detection, identification, description and assessment of any object, that is called as interpretation. Okay, interpretation is the process of detection of object, identification of the object, description and assessment of significance of an object and pattern image, that is called as interpretation. Okay, after capturing the image, the work on that image, that is called as interpretation, that is the detection, identification, description and assessment of significance of an object or pattern of image, that is called as interpretation. The method of interpretation may be either a visual, digital or combination of both. Interpretation is the method, it is a visual method or it is a digital method. Visual method means by using the photograph or photocopy, and digital means by using the satellite or by using the software or by using the drones, or combination of both. Both the interpretation techniques have merits and demerits, and even after the digital analysis the output are also visually analyzed. Okay, interpretation which includes the, both two methods, that is the visual methods and second one is the digital methods. This both the methods have some merits and demerits, but the digital method is advantageous as compared to the visual methods, because it's the output of that image from the digital, that is the visually analyzed. Then see the what is meant by image. Image means pictorial representation of any object. Okay, that is called as image. Image means pictorial representation of any object or any scene, that is called as image. Okay, the image of tree, image of student, image of any animal, that is the pictorial representation of an object or a scene, that is called as image. Image can be analog or digital. Image can be a analog or a digital image. The aerial photographs are generally analog, while satellite data is in the digital form. Okay, aerial photographs, the image which is captured in aerial view. Okay, that is called as analog image. Okay, and the image which are captured by using the satellites or by using the software or by the drones, that is called as digital image. Okay, a digital image is made up of square and rectangular areas are called as pixels. Okay, digital image, this image is captured by using the software, by using the satellites or by using the drones, and this digital image is made up of the square and rectangular areas. This image is made up of square and rectangular areas. This square and rectangular area is called as pixel. Okay, pixel, the कोणत्याही इमेजचे पिक्झल्स जर वाढले तर त्याचं रिझॉल्युशन किंवा क्लॅरिटी काय होते, वाढते, आणि पिक्झल जर कमी केले तर त्याची साईज आणि क्लॅरिटी काय होत जाते, ब्लर होत जाते किंवा कमी होत जाते. म्हणून पिक्झल्स हे कोणत्याही डिजिटल इमेजचे पिक्झल्स हे खूप महत्त्वाचे आहेत. स्क्वेअर अँड रेक्टेंग्युलर एरिया, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज पिक्झल्स असं म्हटलं जातं. Each pixel has an associated pixel values which depends on the amount of reflected energy from the ground. कोणत्याही इमेजची क्लॅरिटी किंवा रिझॉल्युशन इट इज डिपेंड ऑन दी रिफ्लेक्टेड एनर्जी फ्रॉम दी ग्राउंड. ज्यावेळेस आपण इमेज कॅप्चर करत असो, इमेज थ्रू द सॅटेलाईट किंवा थ्रू द फोटो किंवा कॅमेऱ्याच्या सहाय्याने आपण जर कोणत्याही ऑब्जेक्टची इमेज कॅप्चर करत असो तर ती इमेजची क्लॅरिटी किंवा त्या इमेजचे रिझॉल्युशन इट इज डिपेंड ऑन द रिफ्लेक्टेड एनर्जी फ्रॉम दी ग्राउंड. ओके, ग्राउंडपासून रिफ्लेक्टेड एनर्जी जेवढी जास्त असेल तेवढी इमेजची क्लॅरिटी काय होते, वाढत जाते. द क्लॅरिटी ऑफ इमेज इज डिपेंड ऑन द रिफ्लेक्टेड एनर्जी फ्रॉम दी ग्राउंड और बॅकग्राउंड ऑफ दॅट इमेज. Then see the basic elements of interpretation. There are some basic elements of the interpretation, that like shape, size, pattern, tone, texture, shadows, location, association and resolution. See the description of these elements. The first element, that is the shape of that image. It includes the external form of that object or outline or कॉन्फिगरेशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. शेप मीन्स सपोज तुम्हाला जर एखाद्या ट्रीची इमेज इंटरप्रिटेशन करायची असेल तर फर्स्ट यू हॅव टू स्टडी द शेप or external form of that image or outline or configuration of that tree. Okay, then size. This property depends on the scale and resolution of the image or photo. Okay, scale or size, it includes the resolution of the image. The size of that image is large, the resolution is less. Okay, त्या इमेजची जर साईज एखाद्या ऑब्जेक्ट आपल्याला कॅप्चर करायचं असेल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल बिल्डिंग मोठी असेल आणि आपल्याला बिल्डिंगची इमेज कॅप्चर करायची असेल किंवा इमेज इंटरप्रिटेशन करायचं असेल तर जर साईज जास्त असेल तर त्याचं रिझॉल्युशन काय होईल, कमी येईल. आणि जर साईज कमी असेल तर रिझॉल्युशन किंवा क्लॅरिटी ऑफ दॅट इमेजेस काय होईल, वाढेल. ओके, दिस इज अ साईज. देन पॅटर्न ऑफ दॅट इमेज और पॅटर्न ऑफ दॅट ऑब्जेक्ट. Spatial arrangement of an object into distinctive recurring form. This can be easily explained through the pattern of a road and railway line. Pattern, it includes the image captured or it includes the road map or railway. Okay, road किंवा रेल्वे मॅप असेल तर तिथं पॅटर्न the basic elements is required for the image interpretation of road and railway lines. Then shadow indicates the आउटलाईन और हाईट ऑफ दॅट इमेज. ओके, कोणत्याही इमेजची कोणत्याही ऑब्जेक्टची जर आपल्याला हाईट मेजर करायची असेल तर इट इज मेजर्ड बाय युजिंग द शॅडो ऑफ दॅट इमेज. ओके, एखाद्या ट्रीची आपल्याला इमेज किंवा हाईट मोजायची असेल तर आपण ती हाईट कशी मोजू, त्याची हाईट जास्त आहे तर त्याच्या शॅडो जे असेल, ओके, त्याच्यानुसार आपण काय करतो, त्याची हाईट काय करतो, मेजर करतो. Then tone means colors. Okay, it refers to the color or relative brightness of an object. The phenomena can be easily explained through infrared and radar energy or radar imagery. Tone, the clarity or resolution of that image depend upon the tone or color of that image. Okay, or brightness of that image. Okay, जेवढा कलर ब्राईटनेस व्हाईटनेस म्हणतो आपण, डार्क कलर नाही, फेंट कलर असेल तेवढे इमेज रिझॉल्युशन किंवा त्या इमेजची क्लॅरिटी काय होते, वाढते. इट एक्सप्लेन द थ्रू द इन्फ्रारेड अँड रडार इमेजरी. ओके, देन सी द व्हॉट इज द इन्फ्रारेड इमेजरी. इन्फ्रारेड इमेजरी मीन्स हेल्दी वेजिटेशन रिफ्लेक्ट्स द इन्फ्रारेड radiation much more stronger than the green energy and appears very bright in the image. A simple example is the appearance of light tone by vegetation species and dark tone by water. Okay, the infrared imagery, the example of infrared imagery is the appearance of light tone by vegetation which shows the light tone and dark tone which is reflected or which is appearance by the water. And radar imagery means smooth surface reflects the highly an area blocked from radar signal and appear dark. Okay, radar imagery means smooth surface, any smooth surface which reflects highly and area blocked from radar and signal appear dark. Then texture, the texture which includes the frequency of tonal change. Texture is depend on the tone or color of that object. It creates a visual impression of surface roughness and smoothness of a object. Okay, texture which includes the roughness or smoothness of an object. This property depend upon the size, shape and pattern and shadow. Texture is depend on the size of that object, shape, pattern and shadow of that object or image. Then resolution means clarity of that image. It depends upon the photographic imaging device, namely cameras or sensor. Resolution or clarity of that image is depend upon the which type of camera or which type of sensors we are using for capturing the object or for capturing the image. This includes the spectral and spatial resolution. Okay, there are two types of resolution, there is spectral resolution and spatial resolution. Spectral resolution is which helps in identifying the features in specific spectral bands. The high spatial resolution imagery photographs is useful in identifying the small object. Okay, spectral and spatial resolution. Spectral resolution is used in for identifying the specific spectral bands, and spatial resolution which includes for identifying the small object or for focusing the small object focus करण्यासाठी spatial resolution चा यूज केला जातो. Then methods of image interpretation. There are two methods of image interpretation. One is visual image interpretation and second one is digital image interpretation. Visual interpretation means it includes the interpretation on a hard copy image or photographs. Okay, hard copy or by using the photographs, that is a visual, and second type is by using the digital image. Visual image interpretation on a digital image by using the aerial image or by using the drones. Okay, and digital image interpretation means by using the satellites. Then types of interpretation: qualitative and quantitative interpretation. Qualitative interpretation, which includes the qualitative interpretation which includes the pattern of that image, tone or color of that image, association of that image, shadow of that image. There is qualitative and quantitative. Quantitative interpretation, which includes the height, size, shadow, okay, sight. These are the elements which are included in quantitative interpretation. Okay, there are two types of interpretation: qualitative and quantitative interpretation. Then see the these are the some examples of image interpretation based on the basic elements, that is the shape. Okay, this is the first image. It is based on the shape. Okay, depends on the object of outline. Object of the shape of that image is depend on the outline of object. Okay, then size, it is depend on the relative to one or another. Then tone, color of that image, that is brightness, it depends on the brightness. Then sight, it is depend on the location, which helps in recognition. Then texture, which includes the smoothness or roughness of an object. Then shadow, it helps to determine the height of that object. Then association and pattern, which features are normally found near the object. Okay, that is the association and pattern of that image. These are the some typical examples of image interpretation. Okay, first this is the example of some image interpretation, that is airport. Okay, then Berlin, beach. Okay, these are the images captured by using the software, by using the satellite or aerial image interpretation. Then bridge, football field, pond, mountain, meadow, desert. Okay, these are the some examples of image interpretation. Then the sensor in photographic image interpretation, by using the sensor or by using the some advanced features or advanced cameras or sensors are used in photographic image interpretation, that is a black and white and black and white. Black and white, that is called as panchromatic, and black and white, that is called as infrared. Panchromatic means black and white, panchromatic means black and white color, and black and white infrared means colorful image. Then image interpretations, these are the some photographs of image interpretation which are captured by using the satellite. That is the visual image interpretation. There is the visual image interpretation, air photo of the same area. Aerial view आहे by using the satellite किंवा by using the drones, and picture of the real world. Then shape and size, this is the shape and size, remote sensing visual image interpretation by using the shape and size of that object. Then pattern and texture, this is the pattern and texture. Then advantages of visual interpretation, these are the some advantages of visual interpretation. Visual interpretation, it is a simple method of interpretation. There are two types of interpretation, visual interpretation and digital interpretation. Okay, त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट आहे visual interpretation. Visual interpretation चे advantages काय आहेत? फर्स्ट आहे simple method, it is a simple method. In this method visual interpretation मध्ये कोणतेही सेन्सर किंवा सॅटेलाइट वापरले जात नाही, म्हणून एक आहे it is a simple method of interpretation. Second one is inexpensive equipments. Okay, in this interpretation, type of interpretation, the inexpensive equipments are used. In a digital interpretation, expensive equipments are required. Then uses brightness and spatial content of that image. Subjective and qualitative, this is the subjective and qualitative interpretation आहे, and this produce the concrete image it produced by using the visual interpretation. And these are the some advantages of digital image interpretation or digital image processing. Digital image processing is the cost effective for larger geographical area. It is a cost effective for capturing the or for analyzing the larger geographical area. It is not beneficial to the small area. Okay, it is a cost effective for repetitive interpretation. जर आपल्याला repetitive interpretation करायचं असेल तर it is a cost effective आहे, आणि single interpretation करायचं असेल तर it is not cost effective. Then cost effective for standard image format. Okay, it is cost effective for standard image format. Then consistent result, it gives consistent result. Then simultaneously interpretation of several channels. In digital image processing, it is possible to simultaneously interpretation of several channels or several objects. Complex interpretation algorithms is possible. Speed may be an advantage, it is more speedy and comfortable with other digital data. Okay. From any device, it works on the any digital data. This is the advantage of digital image processing. Then disadvantage of digital image processing or digital interpretation is expensive for small area. It is not non-expensive for the small areas. It is expensive for small areas and non-expensive for larger areas. It is expensive for one-time interpretation and non-expensive for repetitive interpretation. Startup cost may be high. The startup cost of digital processing is high. It requires the expensive equipments, requires elaborate and single purpose equipments. Accuracy may be difficult to evaluate. Accuracy is more as compared to the visual interpretation, but it difficult to evaluate and requires standard image format. It requires the standard image format and may require large support staff. Technical knowledge person or required large support staff for digital image interpretation. Okay, these are some advantages and disadvantages of digital interpretation. Okay, this is the exercise number 3rd. Thank you.